Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find YouTube ads you watched. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. The first step you need to do is to open YouTube. Once you open YouTube, you simply need to play any video. So I am going to play a random video to show you. So you can see that this is the ad that is running. You simply need to click on the right mouse cursor and click on copy debug info, and then you need to go back and search in Google adlec.com/debug. Okay, and here you need to put that video link. Okay, so you need to put a video link. So let me copy the debug info. Once you copy, you simply need to paste that info here and click on that link. So you can see that this is the same ad, as you can see that. So this is the same ad video. So this is a process by which you can find YouTube ads you watched. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.